Art to Remember wants to spread awareness about a great new resource that can help you promote your program. Each school that works with us is given their own custom website. From this custom website, visitors will be greeted with the name of your school. They can search for art using an online order code or by the child's name. This database will be pulled from only your school's record. Here is where it will show your school's due date, contact info, and a custom message. Scrolling down, there is a video explaining what Art to Remember is and how the fundraiser works.
Every child is an artist, so why not celebrate it? Our school and Art to Remember have partnered to deliver charming keepsakes as unique as your child.
There's also an option to share this custom website on Facebook, Twitter, or with the direct link. Over here, families have the option of creating their own gallery, which we will get to next. So let's scroll on up and enter a name into the search field. After the artwork is selected, families can start shopping products or go to their gallery. Inside a family's personal gallery, they can add more artwork and create additional artists. This allows families to keep the artwork organized for multiple children. Once the artwork is selected, families can share the artwork, edit the image, or browse products. Make sure that you're using and promoting your custom website link to promote your fundraising program. Art to Remember has over 50 products to shop from, everything from magnets to keychains and mugs and bookmarks. There's something for everyone.